Okay, this is Florent, the mathematics user, and we have a Wassce 2020 for the question 12, where we have 15% of participants in a conference presented papers. If a random sample of 10 participants is taken, find the probability that A, exactly 3, B, not more than 3, and C, not less than 8 presented papers. This falls under binomial distribution, in the sense that we have two outcomes which are mutually exclusive. That is one, we have those who presented papers and those who did not present papers. Now, under such questions, we use this theory. We learned it under binomial theorem, where we have a general term as n combination r, a to the power r, then x to the power n minus r. But under probability, we are going to replace a and x with new variables. So the variables we are going to use is p, which is probability of success. That is those who presented it. So this will be our success. And q is going to be our failure. So now, we learnt this under binomial theorem. N combination r, a to the power r, n x to the power n minus r. But now we are going to replace a with p and x with q. So now we are going to use n combination r, p to the power r, then q to the power n minus r. So now, what's the probability of those who presented? It is 15%, which is the same as 0.15. Then, Q of failure, it is 1 minus 0.15, which is 0.85. So these are the values we are going to use. And we are told that a random sample of 10 participants, so our n here, is going to be 10. So let's pick the first question. It says exactly 3, which means that, so for A, our R is 3, our N is 10, our P is 0.15, and our Q is 0.85. So we are told that exactly 3, that is our R is 3. So now this is what we are going to do. We are going to have n combination, which is 10 combination 3 here. Then our p, which is 0.15 to the power 3. Then our q, which is 0.85 raised to the power n minus 3. So 10 minus 3, which is basically 7. Now, let's use our calculator. Our 10 combination 3, I believe it is 120. 10 combination 3, 120. Then we have 0.15 to the power 3. 0.15, giving us 27 over 8,000. Then here, 10 minus 3 is 7. So 0.85 to the power 7. 85 to the power 7. Is giving us 0.320577. Let's end here. So now we multiply this. So our answer, so we have 120 times our 27 over 8,000 times our answer, which is giving us 0.12 9, 8. So this becomes the answer for exactly 3. Now the B, we're asked to find not more than 3. So if not more than 3, it means from 0 to 1 to 2 up to 3, not more than 3. So our P of X, so we have is 0, then we have 1, 2, and 3. So we start with our formula here. We are going to have 10 combination 0, 0.15 to the power 0, then 0.85 to the power 10, adding up to 10 combination 1, 0.15 to the power 1, we can decide not to write it, then 0.85 to the power 9. Remember, we always subtract the r from the n to obtain the exponent of q. Then plus 10 combination 2, 0.15 to the power 2. Remember, always this and this must be the same. Then 0.85 to the power 8. Then plus 10 combination 3, having 0.15 to the power 3, then 0.85 to the power 7. So quickly, let's fix our values. 10 combination 0, as we already know, is 1. This also will give us 1. So we have 1 times 1. Then 0.85 raised to the power 10 is giving us 0.196874. Then here 10 combination 10 is 10. So we have our 10 here, multiplying 0.15, which is 1.5, times 0.85 to the power 9. So 0.85 giving us 0.231616. Then our 10 combination 2 is giving us 45. Then 0.15 to the power 2, to the power 2 is giving us 0.0225, multiplying 0.85 raised to the power 8, which is 0.272490. Then this, we've already solved this here. That's what we had here, which is 0.1298. So now let's go. So we have 0.196874, 15 times 1.5 times 0.231616. We have 0.347424. Then here we have 0.0225 times 0.272490, multiplying 45, which is 0.275896. plus 0.1298. So now we sum up. So we are going to have 0.196874 plus 0.347424 plus 0.275896 plus 0.1298, where we obtain 0.949, finally giving us 0.9. So here you must be careful with the decimals. Then the final one, it says not less than 8 presented papers. Okay, so the last one we're asked to find not less than 8, which means 8, 9, and 10. So we have 10 combination 8, and we did the substitution. So 0.15 to the power 8 here is 2. Then 10 combination 9, and we followed suit. So now here, let's do our calculation. 10 combination 8, 10 combination 8 is 45. Is 45. 0.15 to the power 8 is giving us 0.000025629. Okay, multiplying 0.85 to the power 2. Which is 0.7225. Then 10 combination 9. Ten combination 9 is giving us 10. Then 0.15 to the power 9. 0.15 to the power 9 is giving us a very small value. Times 10 straight away. Then times 0.85. We have 0.000003 plus 10 combination 10 is 1. Then we have 0.15 to the power 10. Which is 0.000000005. Let me end here. Then now let's do the summation. Let's multiply this one first. 45 by 0.000025629 times 0.7225. We have 0.00008, then plus 0.000003 plus 0.0. Wow. Then finally giving us, so 0.008 plus 0.003 plus 0. Is giving us 0.000008, and this is our final answer. And this is Florence, the mathematics tutor. Thank you.